Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to talk about compatibility relation in lattices and Boolean algebra. So what is mean by compatibility relation means let us consider a binary relation capital R on a given set capital A is said to be compatibility relation on the given set if it satisfies two condition. One is R is reflexive. So what is reflexive? That is x comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to given set A. Second one is R is symmetric. So what is symmetric condition? If x comma y belongs to R, then y comma x also belongs to R for all x comma y belongs to A. So once it satisfies these two conditions, therefore the given relation set is called compatibility relation. Otherwise it is not compatibility relation. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.